Chapter 1 of Einstein, Space and Time. They stood at the steps of the Sheldonian in the dying light of day. Though it was mid-June, there was light snowfall in Oxford that year. P.W. van der Leyden looked skywards and fleetingly thought about his beloved Drakensberg Mountains in South Africa, where he went for his honeymoon 22 years ago. Then it had snowed too. But that was so far away and so long ago. Like many, he had left his home to come to Oxford, searching for the point of existence, in particular for the meaning of his own life. We are always searching for the meaning of life. Human beings are species that need and wants to understand who we are. He had said that just now, sometime during his inaugural 2-hour lecture on the existence of higher dimensions. He couldn't be sure, but he thought he mentioned sea squirts in his lecture, though they were completely unrelated to his topic. These sea squirts were born with brains that allow them to travel, but when they arrived at where they wanted to be, they ate up their own brains because they didn't need brains anymore. Not being a biologist himself, P.W. found it intriguing that brains might have evolved solely to orchestrate and express active movement, for movement is life. Yet she, Alice, had told him something altogether diametrical to his belief system, a belief that was solidified by his 2 decades of being a physicist. Maybe he never really understood physics. She had told him that movement is an illusion. The distance between any 2 galaxies grows with time, giving the illusion of mechanical motion. But the galaxies themselves never move. They just sit there, watching the unfolding of space. It's like baking a Christmas cake. The raisins, currants, candied peels and cherry pieces themselves don't actually move. But when the cake batter rises, it gives the illusion that all the bits in the Christmas cake have moved further apart from each other. We need an absolute point of reference for movement to exist. And wherever you look in the universe, my dear Professor, that absolute point of reference does not exist, she said with total conviction of youth. Heck, we don't even know where the centre of the whole universe is, because we don't know how far its outer edges stretch to. He thought about his sea squirts, but said nothing. How the young seem to think they know everything, he thought to himself. I was once like that too. But that's the beauty and torment of science. We don't know things for sure, and that is the reason why we soldier on to discover new things with each rising sun, with each discovery bringing us one step closer, maybe, to knowing the unknown.